ScotRail, and it's something to do with Lady Diana Spencer.
Yes.
Let's have a look.
What are we going to look at now?
I choo to look at some trains.
Train. We have a train right behind you.
We had so much Barkman come in, didn't we?
Barkman. A lot of new Barkman stuff is
And
here.
I have been a busy little boy studying away on trains.
Okay.
Yep, I can't tell you much about this one, I'm afraid. But I am trying my hardest.
What
folks.
is this? This is a class.
This is a Class 47.
It is.
A ScotRail, and it's something to do with Lady Diana Spencer.
Yes. So this is named Lady Diana Spencer.
Yes.
And this is from the 1960s. These are locomotives that were developed to replace steam locomotives across the system. And they're actually currently still in use.
So is it diesel electric?
Yes.
Is that what we call it?
That's right. Diesel electric.
And I just gathered that by that. Let's go to Overhead Town. Well, what are we doing looking at a tiny little train? And by tiny, how much does this thing weigh?
Yeah, it's got a lot of weight. It's going to be stable.
No?
It's going to be a stable runner.
This will be a really good run. I bet this crawls along. Marlon used to say you can always tell a good train by how it goes.
Yep.
How slow it can go.
Look at the fans in there.
How cool is that?
Is that in focus?
Focus. Yep.
There we go. That's better. How good is it?
I'm still scared to touch them. And we know it's a Lady Diana Spencer train because it says it on the side.
That's right. You can't be safe, can you?
It's a ScotRail.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the underpinnings. That's so scaled.
Look at all the fine little coloured dots and such, and you got the orange underneath.
And it is a, I don't know, what do they call this wheel configuration?
I don't know. Is it a 6x6?
Is it a 6x6?
I don't know. That system sort of works on steam locos. Don't know about diesels. Must be some sort of terminology for it.
Diesel electric. And look how it's going to have a pretty good radius. I mean, not that they're designed to do U-turns, but you can have it. You can have it on quite a small layout, I imagine, because it's quite a long body train. But that is so nice.
It's beautiful. All the wipers. Let's see if I can get that a bit sharper.
Well, let's go. If we go pull out a bit, because it's. Here we go. Can we see what we're looking at? Don't go all quiet on me.
How's that? Is that sort of focused?
Wow, look at the cabin detail.
Trying to get that better.
There's a fire extinguisher. There's an MSDS in there.
Is it?
Looks like it's got a light on the front. I don't want to say that it has a working light because I'll get in trouble. But it looks like it could have a little LED on the front. Is it a sound train?
This one? I don't know.
It's pretty. I just can't believe how much it weighs.
No, it's not.
I'm going to start.
It's DCC. It doesn't include sound. So sound you can add to it.
You can add sound.
Yep.
Being diesel, it probably doesn't. But it's all the brakes and the movement, no?
Yeah, that's
it's
right.
like another. It really is another dimension. But I can't believe how heavy that is.
You won't wait.
I want to say it's like 700 grams. Quite heavy.
You want to save it. It's big.
Well,
nice, yeah?
That's what I've got to say about that.
Is it?
We need like.
But it's not just one that we've got. We've got quite a few different ones.
We've got a whole range. Oh, Barkman stuff. How many cartons did we get?
Lots.
20 cartons, I'd say, of all Barkman stuff. So if you need stuff for your rail, come in and see us because we are packed to the hilt at the minute.
Yep.
And Woodland Scenics as well. Yeah.